guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a little showing you how to use the printables from my shop kind of thing. So I posted this one during my shop anniversary, and I think like 4 of you purchased it. So this one was pretty easy to cut out as far as that goes, but I'm kind of changing up how it is. So I did cut out 2 of them and punch 2 of them just to kind of show how I ended up doing this, and I'm probably going to use them to kind of show how you can use them. Anyway, so they print like this. So this is one of the newer ones, and so is this one. So there's 2 different cleaning lists. There's a chevron with little like icons, and then there's the cute little floral, and then this is kind of tinted like a beige color. So you can go ahead and trim all the way around like this, or you can line it up. That's what I'm going to do. So first thing I want to line it up to, that's weird, my printer I think printed this crooked. So I'm going to line it up this way. Oh no, it didn't. The chevron lines, you guys, the chevron lines messed me up. I feel like it's crooked, and then I'm like, no, it's not, because I measure it like 5 times just to prove that I'm right. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw a line out from here and draw a line out from here to cut the top and the bottom off, and then I'll come back to measuring. So I just have a Fiskars paper trimmer. Not sure how well it's going to fit on the screen, especially since I have it upside down. So it looks like this. It's kind of big as far as that goes. I need to unlock it. And then I'm just going to slide this in, and my paper trimmer has a little like wire in it. So I just line my little pencil mark up with my wire. So let's see if you can see that. Okay, not really, because it's kind of small. I'm just going to cut it like that. And I'm going to flip it around. Slide this in. Yeah, that's fine. So I can line it up with the wire. I have to be able to see it. Sorry guys, hold on. I don't want to mess up my own. Okay, so there it's lined up. The back, so you guys can see it. Okay, and then cut that off. See, so it cuts off some of the pattern, but not all of the pattern. But you want to make sure you're like centered in how you're doing it, because I want my edges to be just the pattern. I don't want to have white edges, if that makes sense to who shall see. So I want to get this. I think I want it all the way to the edge like that. So no matter what, I'm going to cut that off. Yeah, and then about right there. So I'm going to trim where that says, and then I just need to make my pencil mark for the other side. And originally, just to like cut one of these out, I just grabbed the paper out of my Happy Planner and lined it up myself that way. So, but these are kind of nice because you can, once you have one done, then it's really easy just to like match up the other ones and cut it that way. So, as far as that goes. Okay, that should be straight. Okay, done with that one. That back up. And just cut off the white on this side. Then I'm going to take my punch. Okay, this is right behind me. Yep, that's good. So I don't have any white edges left. And then I'm just going to take my punch. And there's white lines right there and right there. So you just need to line it up in between those lines. And it should fit right in your planner. So this is going to be kind of loud, sorry. Fair warning. Because it's a big chomp. There you go. And then I'll show you that it fits in my planner. So I have this is for the classic Happy Planner, by the way, not the big Happy Planner. And you can mess with the settings when you print to try to make it for another planner. So if I wanted like this cleaning list to be my monthly cleaning list, I could put this in my monthly spread, and then it just pops right in, so you guys can see. And then you can either keep it or toss it, because you get to print this out as many times as you want. So there's how that one fits. And then if I want the other one, don't even judge me. I've been really busy with Etsy. I've not been keeping up with my planning. So with this one, maybe I want this one as my weekly cleaning list. I'll put this in my weekly spread. if that makes sense. So you guys can use it for that. And then the other one was just a to-do list, which is like a get it done list. And they all just fit the same way. And they line up really nice. So there you go. If you want to try to make your planner a little bit more your own, or have some inserts or temporary inserts, that's kind of up to you, but they turn real nice, especially if you have the punch. If you don't have the punch, you can take a hole punch and punch it and then just cut the line. It'll just be hard to get that gap for it to move smoothly over the disc as far as that goes. But also if you have a binder planer, then you can just punch holes in it. So there you go. That's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoy this little kind of tutorial on the new thing that's in my shop. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!